Today's focus is sharp and simple. Rule 1 of COLREGs. Let's break it down.
All ships, big or small, are to follow the rules as long as they sail on seas. These include small yachts, fishing vessels, and other barges. All waters connected to the high seas include major rivers, which have ports on their banks, and which are visited by seagoing vessels. All bays and canals, which are connected to the seas, provided that they are sailed on by ocean-going vessels. Traffic separation scheme. The IMO may decide at any time and place to impose a traffic separation scheme, which would make it easier to navigate in a major traffic area. The above traffic separation schemes will be for the purpose of enhancing the effectiveness of these collision regulations.